Hey, thanks for joining us and getting up early. Get to your top stories in just a few, but first, get you caught up on the weather, which includes temperatures approaching, if not meeting, 80 degrees.
Yeah, hey, we're looking forward to it, right? But that won't last for long, Katie. But in the meantime, let's talk about today.
Yep. You know what? We'll talk about today, and then we'll tell you what's to come. So an area of high pressure is moving east, and with that, we're staying very, very mild and warm, by the way, warmer than yesterday. Thanks to some of that warm advection, we're going to be in the 80s and a little warmer than that 77 we hit yesterday. So 63 in Mayport right now, 61 in Jacksonville. A mild start at the bus stop today. 58 will be our median temperature. We're going to be greeted with mostly sunny skies this morning, followed by partly cloudy skies into this afternoon. So as we continue to track the forecast, you'll be around 80 as the kids come home. Right now, it's dark, dry, and early out there. No visibility issues whatsoever. With that being said, take a look at radar, and whatever you need to get done today, do it, because tomorrow, what we're going to deal with is this. This area of high pressure is going to continue to be pushed out over the Atlantic, and we'll be greeted with some showers ahead of a cold front that's going to push through. So with these showers coming in tomorrow for us, I do want to make a mention that today, Southeast Georgia could see a couple of pop-ups, but overall, tomorrow's our day. So let's time it out hour by hour so you know exactly what to expect, because I'll tell you this much, with this front coming through, it's really going to leave an impact. Just ahead of that front, we're going to see some showers tomorrow morning, very early, around 4 a.m. for parts of Georgia. Continuing to push through, the heavy activity comes in around 8 a.m., starts in Valdosta through Waycross, then really forms into a distinct line by about 9, 10 a.m. as it moves in, providing Jacksonville with some lighter showers ahead of the heavy storms that are going to come through. These storms will not be severe, but they will provide some lightning and some pretty heavy wind gust with them. So it'll continue to push through around 11, 12 o'clock, and then as we get to about the 1 o'clock hour, that's when St. Augustine sees the heaviest of the activity into Palm Coast. And even so, as that heavier line moves through, we'll have some outer showers that move in behind it about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in an isolated fashion. Once this is out of here, another area of high pressure moves through, keeping the colder air coming in with that cold front that pushes through mild. So we'll see temperatures into the 60s with potential frost for Thursday morning because of lows in the 30s. As far as the rainfall totals, about 1/4 of an inch is what I see right now. Nonetheless, though, the wind is really the story. Even into today, we see these gusts kind of pick up later in the day, into the afternoon and evening. But it's really tomorrow that we see these gusts starting our morning out in the 20s. And as you get to about 10 a.m., some of you in the 30-mile-an-hour range with those gusts, almost at 40 by the afternoon hours. So it's a big deal. And you'll want to secure any patio furniture you've got, or your trash can. You don't want it in the neighbor's yard, and that's what would happen. So here you go. Back to today, though, we are going to see highs between 76 in Fernandina Beach and 80 in Jacksonville. So not bad at all. If you have a tea time, today would be your day. It's very comfortable out there. I'll have your full forecast coming up.